We're going to review yesterday's math lesson.
What is she saying? I don't know. So I talked to Mindy at recess, and she said Tony and Kelsey got married.
It's time to get busy. All right, listen up. Do you remember from yesterday?
You turn the second fraction upside down and multiply across.
Yes, Patrick, that's right. But could you please remember to raise your hand next time? Okay, now, who can give me the answer to this problem? Yes, Isaiah.
1/8.
Quiet down. We don't laugh at people. Well, Isaiah, 1/4 times 1/2 does equal 1/8. But today we're dividing.
Hey, give me a pencil. Mine broke.
I'd be tired too if I had a class that acted like that.
Well, the teacher shouldn't have to constantly remind her students how to act. They should know how to behave in the classroom or anywhere.
I know it seems like we have too many rules to follow, but there's usually a good reason for them.
Well, I feel sorry for the kids in the class who really do respect others and just want to learn something.
In school, we have to share the classroom with others. It's only right to show some courtesy to your classmates and to your teachers.
And that's our topic for today, being courteous in the classroom.
Today we will discuss how to be courteous to others and why it is so important to be courteous in the classroom.
What are some good rules for the classroom?
One good rule is to always come in and be ready, to be eager, and to always do your best, think of other people. Basically, respect is one of my biggest rules, and it applies to everything. Respecting the supplies that we have, not wasting anything, respecting yourself, respecting each other. That pretty much covers every rule. It really does.
What is she saying? I don't know. So I talked to Mindy at recess, and she said Tony and Kelsey got married.
Hey, girls. Girls, I know you have some really juicy gossip going on right now, but you really need to be paying attention to what's going on in class. Yeah.
It's time to get busy.
Hello there, young lady. Out of respect for your teacher, don't you think you ought to apologize and clean up that mess you just made? Yeah. Why don't you go ahead and pick it up? You don't want to be known as a mean person, now do you? No. Pick it up. Be nice.
Sorry, Miss Jones. My fault. Let me get those.
Do you remember from yesterday?
What's the rule, Patrick? That's right. Raise your hand first. Yes.
Patrick.
You turn the second fraction upside down and multiply across.
That's right, Patrick. Thank you. So, what would the answer to this problem be? Yes, Isaiah.
1/8.
1/4 times 1/2.
Well, it looks like all this class needed was a few reminders on how to behave. They seem to be getting along just fine now. So remember, pay attention, respect others, and follow the rules. That's how to be courteous in the classroom. See you next time.
They're different.
I have a question for everyone.
Now, John, that's not the way you ask.
Huh?
You're supposed to raise your hand if you have a question.
Very funny, Maya.
Now you two, remember the rule about respecting each other? It's time to say goodbye now.
You're right. But I think we've all had a good reminder today about the importance of manners and rules.
Not only knowing what they are, but understanding why it is important to use them when you are in the classroom.
Good advice, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Remember to be courteous in the classroom and everywhere.
Bye.
Bye.